Okay, I'm doing an unboxing of the new blender. And this is the way to do it. You open the bottom part. I opened the top. I should have opened the bottom. Then you just lift it up. Me, it is about the blender. Very nicely wrapped. You have the cover. Nice and sturdy. Good. The bag, right? I love that it had the buttons, old school. And then this must be the glass cover. It's glass, it's not plastic, so I like that. I'll show you the product in just a moment. Beautiful. I love it. It reminds me of my old school. No rhyme or reason. Beautiful. Gets my thumbs up. Came with the pamphlet. There you go. Hamilton Beach. You can't beat that, right? Got my approval. The party is on.
Hi guys, I want to tell you about how much I love my Hamilton Beach blender. This morning I'm making smoothie for my son before he goes to school, and starting off with organic spinach, bananas, blueberries, some strawberries. I've already blended the spinach, banana, blueberries, strawberries, and I just toss in a Chobani yogurt. So here we go. I'm going to put the lid on, secure it. Alright, and here we go. There's a smoothie button, and here we go. Come to an end, and let's open it up. It's very well blended, and I'm very happy with it, and I know you would too. The top doesn't close. Look, I had it backwards, but look, the top doesn't close. Like, regardless of either way you put it, I try to open it, still doesn't close. It just pops up. Yeah, it doesn't close. Okay. It doesn't close. It doesn't lock.
Inside here has burned up. I literally, you can see how clean it is. I literally have made one margarita in here and 2 smoothies, and not even big ones. I live alone. I'm senior. I live alone. I do not recommend this product. It is junk. It's also junk when you're trying to move from one button to the next. They're too close together and you can't see the writing way down here to, on what you're blending. Anyhow, so in my opinion, it's junk. can see the hole right here and the crack right here. This is the one I purchased. I've barely used it. It exploded all over the place and made the hugest mess you can imagine. Look. Frozen mangoes and berries. And that blew out all over the place. All over the floor. I just cleaned it up. It was a disaster. It looked like someone got murdered in here.
All the jars have come broken and shattered into pieces.
The banana is right there and it's not working. It's not smoothie. It's still there. It's why it's not very good.